Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Sketchbook app how to make background transparent. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your Sketchbook app, and then once you are there, what you need to do is open your artwork. Now once you have opened your artwork, what you need to do now is tap on the layers icon, that is the stacked square, and here what you need to do is tap on this icon right here, and then your layers will be open. Now all you gotta do is tap on the eye icon right here, and then next to the background layer to hide it. If there is no separate background, your canvas might already be transparent. Then tap the three dot icon on the top right here, and then once you do that, tap on share or export, then choose the PNG format. JPEG doesn't support transparency, then save the file to your photos or file. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.